You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this South Korean rapper, singer, member of Stray Kids. If you want to learn other names from Stray Kids that are often mispronounced, stay tuned. Korean pronunciation here. Changbin. Changbin. The B is pronounced almost like a P, but not quite in Korean. In English, the pronunciation is generally as Changbin. Changbin from Korean Changbin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.